First principle of differentiation is that of using algebra, okay, to find general expressions of a slope. Okay, and it's also called delta method. Now, in first principle, we introduce the idea of limit, where we limit change in x to 0 in order for it to become dy dx. Okay, so for example, you're given a question. We're told that y is equal to 5x squared plus 10x minus 3. Normally, if you had to differentiate this, you say that dy dx is equal to 10x plus 10, right? So if you ask to do this using first principle, and the idea is to increase y and x by a little number, which is change in x. The first thing we have to do is to increase y and x by change in x. Whenever we see y, we add change in y. Whenever we see x, we add change in x. Okay, so y here becomes y plus change in y, and x becomes x plus change in x. So this will become 5 into bracket x plus change in x all square plus 10 into bracket x plus change in x, because this is also x, then minus 3. So don't forget, we're trying to find, the question says find dy dx. Okay, one thing you should note, let me write this over here. Note that change in y over change in s, when we limit change in x to 0, this will become dy dx. So let's add this at the back of your mind. Why we saw, have this at the back of your mind. So solving this now, what do we have? We have y plus change in y is equals to 5 into bracket. Expanding this will give me x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x all square. I encourage you to do this on your own and try to expand this expression. Okay, plus opening bracket here, we are going to have 10x plus 10 times change in x will give me 10 change in x minus 3. Don't forget, I'll try to get dy dx. We can get dy dx from changing y over change in x when we limit change in y over change in x to 0. Okay, so if I take y to the other side of the equation, what's it going to become? We're going to have change in y equals to 5 into brackets, or we can simply open the bracket here to become 5x squared plus 10x change in x plus 5 into bracket change in x squared plus 10x plus 10 change in x minus 3. Now y is coming over to this side, so it becomes minus y. Alright, so change in y will be equals to 5x squared plus 10x change in x plus 5 change in x squared plus 10x plus 10 change in x minus 3 minus, now what is y? Y is everything here. Alright, so y, there's a different color for that. Y is 5x squared plus 10x minus 3. So we have to just put this in a bracket because of the minus sign we affect the bracket. So opening the bracket now, we're going to have minus 5x squared minus 10x plus 3, because minus sign we open the bracket affecting the individual signs. Okay, so we can cancel out. We see 5x squared can cancel out 5x squared. What else? 10x can cancel out 10x, and 3 can cancel out 3. So what do we have left? We have change in y is equal to 10x change in x plus 5 change in x squared plus 10 change in x. All right, so I'm trying to come about this change in y over change in x. So I can factorize out change in x. So change in y will be equals to, if I factorize out change in x, I will have change in x into brackets, then x plus 5 change in x, right? Because we have this part. So if I take out 1, which means just change in x, and plus change in x here will give me just what? 10. Alright, so I divide both sides by change in x, right? Change in x. This cancels out this. So we have now we have our change in y over change in x that we're looking for. So change y over change in x will be equals to 10x plus 5 into bracket change in x plus 10. Alright. Now we're trying to find dy dx and not this. What you have to find is dy dx, or now have to find change in y over change in x. Are two different things. So what do? We limit. We limit change in x to 0. And once you do that, change in y over change in x will become what? Will become dy dx, just like I said up here. I said that up here. Okay? So dy dx is equals to 10x plus, we're limiting change in x to 0. That means that wherever you say change in x, let's put 0. This will become 5 into bracket 0 plus 10. So dy dx will be equals to 10x plus 10. So let's cross check. I'm doing a video we differentiated using the other methods we know, and we got 10x plus 10. Now using first principle, we got the same answer. So this method of differentiation is called first principle.